In this video, we will learn how to add location on Instagram story. So let's begin.
Process is same for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open up your Instagram app. So here we go. So once the Instagram app is open, simply go and tap on your profile icon at the right bottom corner. So this would open up your profile, and here tap on your profile picture at the left top corner to add a story. It says open a camera. Tap on open a camera, and here you can select any of the photo or you can click a new photo. So I would be selecting from the gallery. So once you click a photo or you select from a gallery, the next screen would appear like this. Now you can see a page icon that is at the or a sticker icon at the top. That is in these five icons, that is middle one. So you can see a sticker icon in the middle of these five icons at the right top corner. Tap on this one. This would open this thing. Tap on location. Even if your location services are turned off, you can even tap on search and select and search for any location. And uh, so I would be select here we go, New York, New York. You can select any of the specific locations as well. So here you can see the location has appeared like this one. Now you can tap on send to, and here you can tap on story, and your story would be shared on Instagram. So hope it has helped you in adding a location to your Instagram story. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share.